I need your help identifying some unusual things I've seen near my beehive. The first one is probably going to be some type of male drone, bumblebee, or bee. It was definitely as big as 2 segments of your finger. The second one is some type of fly hornet. It's not a bald-faced hornet. And the third one is going to be something that belongs in a movie. It's a scorpion, a spider. I really don't know. It felt like it was going to reach out and grab me. I can't wait to hear what your answer. My gosh, somebody please tell me what in the world is that? Like, that is a giant drone. I hope I caught that. That thing was as big as my finger.